The Missoula County Sheriff's Office will join several regional law enforcement agencies with canine units by this summer. The department is now in the process of screening potential handlers for the role.
Something that we've always wanted to bring back, but there's always been some kind of constraint, either manpower, funding, or something of that nature. And we're just gotten to a point where we think it's ultimately important that we've missed it over that period of time, and the sheriff has been really supportive of making sure that that unit comes back into play.
The dogs are trained until they are about a year old in narcotic detection and patrol work, which includes handler protection along with missing persons and suspect searches. The sheriff's office is working with Southern Police Canine Incorporated out of North Carolina. Once the dogs are ready, 2 handlers will work with the dogs on site for 6 weeks. If it's a good fit, they begin working. The dog lives and works with this handler full time. Meter says dogs can help protect and save lives.
So we work very remotely sometimes, and some officers go an entire day and do not see another deputy. So to have the dog there as a partner, I mean, they're trained specifically in handler protection, so if the officer were attacked or engaged by suspects, the dog can then help and adds that extra level of security for the officer as well.
This project is funded by reserve money that the sheriff's office has saved and will come at no additional cost to taxpayers. Meter says the cost of one of these dogs can be about $25,000, but compares that to the cost of a new squad car, which can be closer to $40,000 and doesn't quite last as long. Meter says the project has been met with great interest from deputies.
The sheriff's office is extremely excited. This is one of all the programs we offer. We've had the most interest in this one.
In Missoula, Don Fisher, MTN News.